Yes, today is finally the day. I'm cutting off my dreadlocks, and these people's reaction is crazy. We did this at SneakerCon, and all the dreads came off. We combed out the locks. Everyone was watching. We even had to wash my hair in the... We even washed my hair in the bathroom, but the final results is actually crazy. But this all started at my house in Phoenix.
What's up, brother?
Yo, what's up, bro?
You just pulled up?
I just got ready. I'm about to get picked up by my Uber. Yo, I know this for sure. I'm not missing this flight. Good, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
All right, thank you so much. Yo, 8:23. Biggest thing right now, not miss the flight. It is 7:07. Yeah, boarding the flight begins at 7:54. This needs to be a quick security check. I'm not gonna be late. I'm excited that I'm not gonna be late.
The guy came over and cut your hair.
This guy came over? Yeah, bro.
I was looking, I was like, this is the glasses and everything. I had to search you up, bro.
Oh, dang, okay. Nice to meet you, bro.
I cannot believe that I'm getting on a plane right now to fly out to Atlanta and go to SneakerCon for Sly Huncho himself to be cutting my hair, and then hopefully Nito, you guys know him, if you don't know how to braid, hit that follow button, is gonna be braiding my hair right after.
So I pulled up in Atlanta. I have no plans. Not sure what I'm gonna do. We're about to find out. I'm literally figuring out as I go right now.
Yeah, bro. I forgot your name. Nice to meet you.
Gunther, nice to meet you, bro. Yes, sir. Hi, Kyle. Yep.
No luck?
Yeah, just a bag. Man, the weather here is great.
All right, we're going to Cumberland Parkway, right?
Yes, sir. Just made it to Atlanta, and the weather here is super nice.
As I'm driving to SneakerCon, I fell in love with Atlanta, how beautiful it is. And while I'm here, I'm actually visiting a very huge house. That's gonna be a whole other video. And that's because I just made it to the convention center.
Yes, sir. What's up, bud? From something. Nice to meet you, bro. I'm Gunther.
Dreads.
Yes, sir. Now they're gone. They're gonna be gone today. Guys, made it to SneakerCon. Now I just gotta find Sly.
I know who you are.
Hey, appreciate it, bro.
Interview us.
But how quick it is? 30 seconds? I got you. All right, thank you, bro. Yeah, absolutely.
Wait, you done with the braces?
Yeah, finally. Nice meeting you guys. The braces, guys. The braces. Oh, I found him. Yo, Sly. Yo, you gotta finish the job, bro. Cut my hair, bro.
Oh, if I can cut you with these.
All right, bro.
Hey,
let's do this.
listen, I really do this.
Here we go. Bro.
Are you getting paid, bro? Ready? Soft though. Don't hurt him, okay? Right there.
Bro.
You finally won.
Thanks, bro. Bro, look at the bird nest, bro. Look at the bird nest, bro.
All this snow gotta go.
Yeah. That thing is jammed. Oh.
I wish you would have booked the little ones there. Anybody else
Oh.
here? Cut it, just cut it. Something on my hand.
Oh.
Hey, give me the hair top. Do a picture.
Yo, there goes, bro. It's gone. Hey. I'm ready for the wash, bro. Is that everything? Hey, let me get the last one. If there's any more.
That's it.
No, bro.
Hey, you got those?
There's one more?
You want to cut this?
Yeah, let me get the last one. Hold it for me. Tell me where to put it. And then I'll just cut right there. Ready? Bro, this thing.
More in there. Put the thing more in there.
Hold on.
Let me know.
Go, no, don't chop it fast, because just go slow. Go. Now go. There you go. Yeah.
Last one?
Hey, you got to
The last one, bro.
Hey, how long you do it for, bro?
5 years, bro. I don't, is it different? I'm different? Oh, y'all are doing good, bro.
Wow.
Yo, get them snowflakes out. Yo, you're cooking, Nito. Good job, Nito.
I have to.
Yes, sir.
It's gonna hurt you a little bit, but
No, I'm
just wanna
chilling.
make sure we got time.
Thanks, Nino. I'm chilling. I'm chilling.
No, I got it. Look, finish this. This one.
Yes, sir. Bro, let's go. Nice links too, y'all.
Alright.
Yo, W link.
Look, just grab one by one, and then you do this.
Yeah, one by one.
One by one is the easiest. You'll get it done quicker.
Oh, like separating? Yeah.
It's gonna be interesting, this part.
What is it? The front? How's the front, bro? Tell me. Is this? Bruh, hold up. Nito? I was mad at bro, trust. Yo, the afro's kind of nice. Might just rock the afro.
No.
Hey!
He didn't keep it, man. It was just yeah, it's just content.
Yeah, live, bro. Chill.
Showing to come out, bro.
Take it little by little, bro. I'm trying to have hair back there.
Damn, take it.
Come on.
Damn, that is what?
Come on.
I need time, guys. What time is it?
In the nation. Yo, oh, thanks, kid. How it look, bro?
Great.
$3,000 watch.
Yo,
We gotta do that.
he was just with me last night.
Had a full head of dreads, bro. Dang, that's different. I'm ready for the wash, bruh. Yes, sir. Thanks, Chief. Why, bro? Tell me why it's interesting. In an hour, bro. Yo, that's crazy. What? No way. You good done? Yo, no one take my dreads. No one take my dreads. Can someone facilitate to make sure no one takes my dreads? They gone, man. Now it's time to wash up. Especially the hair. I don't want no one doing nothing crazy.
I got it.
Yo. Let's get it.
Where's the water? Where's that?
Hey, yo. Yes, sir. Yo, Nito, thank you. Thank you for this, bro.
Yeah,
Ready for the wash.
Now we're gonna wash his hair real quick with the best shampoo and best conditioner.
Yes, sir. Sly, the sharpest razor in the city. I'm ready for it, bro.
Should've got waves.
Can we even film in the bathroom? It's crazy. Streaming in the bathroom is crazy. Yo. Chill. Stand on that side. It's before the wash. How do you want me to do this? Right this?
At 9, yeah,
You want to put the shampoo in it?
Time for the wash.
Well, first you gotta take off the tap. Take the tap off.
What's that? Here we go. For the
Yeah,
wash.
come on, let's do it. Yeah. How's it feel? Good?
Feels good, bro.
Wait, let me take this off. It'll be easier.
So much hair, bro.
I know. Don't worry about it. Good.
right.
Scrub it again. Right in the scalp, okay? That's the most important part, okay? And the side of your hair.
Bro, this stuff lathers up nice.
Huh?
It lathers up nice.
Really nice. And no sulfates needed.
Bro, this is the best wash I've gotten in 5 years, bro. Yo, yes sir, yes sir. What's up, y'all? I switch right there. Alright. Alright, y'all, it's time for the braids. With Nito. Let's do this.
Oh, it's too powerful.
Oh, does it keep switching? Nah, there's salt and pepper in there.
Let's do it somewhere else then. Oh, yeah.
Got a chair. What's that? Oh, they're saying something's gonna start in a minute at the stage. They're saying something's starting in a minute at the stage. Some sort of game. Yes, sir. That's chain. It's hard. Let's take a picture like this. Say cheese. Cheeseburger. How the braids looking?
But yeah, probably like 4 years ago, last braid. And you know what's crazy? When he posted a video that Mr. Beast was gonna cut his hair, I hit him up and I said, yo, let me cut my, he said, thank you, right. Can I get the braids out?
Don't get the braids out.
Honestly, this haircut turned out so good. I'm very happy with it. Shout out to Sly and Nito. You guys are honestly one of my favorite friends to have just because we create together and we all do the same thing with hair. And thank you so much for making this a moment. This is literally a movie for me, and this haircut came out so clean. I know I didn't do a complete buzz cut, but guys, I can't do that to myself right now. I honestly do want to do that though, like full-blown shaving cream and straight razor the head, just because I want to do like a full like blown restart, which might be coming soon. I'm not sure. We'll see. What do you guys think? But guys, this turned out amazing. The dreads were done for, guys. They were super dry. I didn't touch them for almost an entire year just because of that bald spot that happened not too long ago. Of course, you guys remember that. And now it just looks brand new. And I look like a new person. A lot of people are saying that I look like, I think his name's Rafina, or what's the other guy? Central C. What do you guys think? Who do I look like in the comments? I think I look like me, just 10 times better. And honestly, I'm thinking about keeping the braids in. I know some people want to see the curls. I know a lot of you guys want to see the curls, and I'm going to leave that for a whole other video. Trust me, I'm so ready to see my curls as well. I just got my hair braided yesterday, and it's hurting in the back of my neck just because it's so tight, and I just don't want to get bumps back there, so I might be doing that very soon, even though I just want to keep these braids in for a while. But let me know what you guys think about the haircut and the braids and just the overall hairstyle. Does it look better than the dreads? Does it suit me? What do you guys think? And what should I do next? I'm really looking forward to doing the braid out, like I said. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to everyone who came here from TikTok, Instagram, Twitch, or any of my other pages just to come watch this video. I'm going to be posting more long form videos. I just went to VidCon and SneakerCon. I'm going to show you guys the full experience. I did that video to where I did a tour of the biggest house that I've ever seen, and it's here in Atlanta, and so many more long videos on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And here's the final look.
All right, y'all, that is it for SneakerCon. And the braids are nuts.
Yes, the dreads are completely gone. This is the final look, y'all. And this is actually like where I'm streaming now. So I'm streaming most likely every day, hopefully. And today I streamed for 7 hours, bro. I was on stream for 7 hours. But this is the final look. And of course I'll do more final looks. You can just check out my TikTok or YouTube, and I'll just you'll see more of this. And then pretty soon I'm gonna be doing a full braid out and a full what my curls are looking like, and we're gonna have to fix that as well. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys do an amazing day. Matter of fact, have a great day. Peace. God bless.